I have said this name to many people, even a history teacher, and they don't know who this person is. This person was married to the last Viking king of Dublin, went on to marry either Brian Boru or Mael Shacknail next, probably Mael Shacknail, who was the High King of Ireland in around the 980s AD. He was a guy that came from Meath, and he was the High King before Brian Boru. She married Mael Shacknail. It is unknown that she had kids with him, but she was certainly married to Brian Boru at a later time and did have one child with him, Donncha, who would take over for Brian Boru as King of Munster after the Battle of Clontarf. Gormalith's reign was characterised by her strategic alliances, political acumen, and a deep understanding of the cultural and mythological significance of her role. You see, everything in ancient Ireland was culturally, mythologically, historically significant.